Ever wondered how successful people manage their time? Let's dive into the fascinating world of time management, a realm that's as mysterious as it is essential. You see, time management is not just about ticking off tasks from a to-do list. It's about prioritizing what truly matters, about making every second count. When you master time management, you master the art of productivity and success. You can accomplish more in a day than most do in a week. But, like any worthy endeavor, it comes with its own set of challenges. Perhaps you find yourself constantly racing against the clock, or maybe, despite your best efforts, your to-do list seems to grow longer instead of shorter. But don't despair. In the grand scheme of things, these are but minor bumps on the road to success. Some believe time management is an art, others a science. But what if it's simpler than that? So what's the secret sauce? How do successful people make the most of their time? Well, let's dive right in. The first strategy is to prioritize tasks. This might sound like a no-brainer, but it's astonishing how many of us get this wrong. Imagine you have a plate full of tasks. Some are spicy, requiring a lot of your attention. Others are more like the side salad, important, but not immediately so. Successful people don't just dive in fork first. They take a moment to assess which tasks are the juiciest, the most critical. They go for those first. Next, we have goal setting. This is not just about setting lofty long-term goals. It's about setting clear, achievable targets for each day. Think about it. If you were going on a road trip, you wouldn't just hop in the car and start driving, would you? You'd have a destination in mind, a route planned out. Your daily tasks are just like that. Having clear goals helps you stay on track and avoid unnecessary detours. Avoiding multitasking is the third strategy. Despite what some might tell you, humans are not built for multitasking. It's like trying to juggle while riding a unicycle. It might look impressive, but it's not exactly efficient. Focusing on one task at a time allows you to give it your full attention and complete it more effectively. The fourth strategy might surprise you, taking regular breaks. Yes, you heard that right. Successful people know that the brain, like any muscle, needs time to rest and recharge. So don't feel guilty about taking that coffee break. It might just boost your productivity. Lastly, successful people use tools and apps to stay organized. These digital helpers can keep track of tasks, set reminders, and even block distracting websites. They're like your personal assistant, minus the fancy suit. By adopting these strategies, you too can join the ranks of the highly productive. Remember, time is the one resource we can't get more of, so use it wisely. Now you might be thinking, great, but how will this actually affect my life? Well, let's dive right into that question. Firstly, effective time management significantly reduces stress. Imagine a life where you're not constantly racing against the clock. Sounds peaceful, doesn't it? That's the power of time management. It allows you to take control instead of time controlling you. Secondly, it promotes a better work-life balance. By managing your time wisely, you can allocate a specific period for work and a separate time for leisure. It's like having two cakes on separate plates. You can enjoy each without mixing the flavors. Lastly, it opens up avenues for growth and learning. With time on your side, you can explore new skills, hobbies, or simply pick up that book you've been meaning to read. In essence, managing your time well is like having your cake and eating it too, without getting a tummy ache. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap what we've learned. We've plunged into the mysteries of time management, unraveled its secrets, and discovered that it's not about having more hours in a day, but making the hours we have count. We've learned from the strategies of the successful, those who've mastered the art of prioritizing, delegating, and setting clear, achievable goals. We've seen the power of time management, how it can transform chaos into order, stress into productivity, and dreams into reality. We've seen that the secret to time management isn't hidden in some ancient scroll or elusive formula, but in simple, practical steps that anyone can take. So remember to prioritize your tasks, delegate when necessary, set clear goals, and above all, respect the value of your time. And there you have it. The secret to managing your time like the successful. Now go forth and conquer your time.